Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vinod and you are watching my YouTube channel. Name is Vinod Singh Thakur. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about biologist roles and responsibility. So without wasting any time, let's start. If we talk about roles and responsibility of biologist researching, identifying, classifying and studying plants, animals and ecosystem to expand our understanding of how they operate and relate to each other and the things around them. Biologists also collecting samples, taking measurements, photographing or sketching organisms and obtaining other information that may lead discoveries about organisms and our ecosystems. Biologists also observing organisms to learn more about their diets, behavior and impact on their surroundings. Biologists also maintaining thorough, accurate records relating to research or observations. Biologists tagging and tracing animals to learn about their movements, relocating animals to wildlife preserves. Biologists preparing reports, lecturing students and presenting findings, discussing the potential environmental impact of invasive species, pest control methods and other actions or events. Biologists leading research groups, ensuring the proper distribution of tasks and resources. Biologists also writing papers about findings and proposals for project or findings. I hope friends you like or enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe my channel and also like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.